everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all well. Well, today we are going to learn and we are going to talk about present indefinite tense. First of all, what is present indefinite tense? Well, in present indefinite tense, we talk about the present time or we talk about the present activities. We do not talk about past or future. First of all, I'll tell you what is the formation of present indefinite tense. Well, the formation is subject plus first form of verb, right? Plus s or es. This implies according to subject we put s or es next to our first form of verb. We will put s or es next to our first form of verb according to our subject, right? Plus object. All right, let me show you what is subject. Subject can be he, she, we, they, it, or any kind of name, right? Like William, Sam, or any other name, right? These are all called subject. Now we are all know what is first form of verb or what is verb, as we all know. Alright, next we talk about what is object, right? Object can be any kind of work or any kind of another activity that is being played in our present time. Now I'll show you some example of present indefinite tense. Alright, William drives a car, right? Now William is our subject, drives. We put s here, right? We put s here. Drives, first form of verb plus s. A car is our object, right? William drives a car. William drives a car. Now, another example is they play a match. Now, just look at this. I need your attention, right? We did not put here s or es. Why? Because our subject is plural, right? We put s or es when our subject is singular, and we does not put s or es when our subject is plural. This is plural. They play a match, right? Now here, simply play a match is our object.